Behind me are two awesome looking Chevys. First we got a 2023 5-inch lifted beast, and we've got the brand new slate grey 2024. This thing looks amazing with the off-road creative front bar. This thing is clean and simple. I reckon we start with this one and we go all the way around it, show you what this thing is all about. This thing looks amazing. It's got the off-road creative front bar. The 2024 front end is one of my favorite trucks on the market right now, in the slate grey color as well. I was a little bit tossing and turning whether we go a full color coded front bar, but I think this textured black one really ties in nicely to the other black bits on the vehicle itself. Off-road creative obviously nailed it again. We've got the 3 Lazer Lamps Sentinel 9-inch elites on the bar, the STEDI lighting inside the bar, and we've also gone for the 15K carbon winch in there as well. 15,000 pound winch. You got your good lighting in the bar, good lighting on top of the bar, and this is why the Chev 2024 with the off-road creative front bar is one of the most popular options on the market today. This one has got the 4-inch lift kit on it. We've gone for the Method 605 NVs. These are 20 by 10 neg 24 fitment. With the neg 24 fitment, that's going to fill out all of the aftermarket Bushwacker flares. So these ones are the color-coded Bushwacker Extend flares in the smooth fitment. It's probably my favorite option in the flares with the no bolt holes around the outside edge. And the Method 605 NV wrapped with a Toyo 37 12.5 20 tyre. The rugged terrain tyre from Toyo in the 37 12.5 20. One of the best on the market for this fitment. It's not going to be too wide. It's going to air down really nicely. Going to be one of the most popular tyres on the market for this sort of setup. Come and have a look at these electric side steps. Amp Research. One of the most popular on the market. These are the Smart Series steps. With the Smart Series from Amp, it allows us to go into a phone app and actually pin swap the doors. Because of the conversion here in Australia, if you open up the rear door on these Chevys, it actually drops down the opposite side step. So with the Amp Smart Series, we can go in and program it up so the doors operate as per normal. When you do open the doors on these ones, you've got LED courtesy lights underneath. They come down nicely. If you want that little bit of extra protection, we can go to the XL series from Amp Research. But these ones here, I think, suit this truck perfectly. They drop down enough for someone like myself. We'll jump up on top and show you what that roof rack's all about. The roof racks here on the Chev 2024 model. Same roof rack as the Chev 2023 model. This is the Big Dog Builds accessory rack. This one is sporting the 50-inch curved STEDI light bar on the front. The range from these STEDIs is pretty damn impressive for the value of these lights, definitely bang for buck. What this light also doubles as is a wind deflector, so you're not going to get any annoying wind going through the roof rack like some of the others on the market. I think this platform is one of the quietest on a Chev 2024 or 23. You can still use your full sunroof on this model as well. So simply open up that sunroof, you can pop up through the center, you can stand on that center console, adjust your UHF antennas that are up on here. You've got your side lights as well. These ones are the amber STEDI 13-inch work lights, and all of the lights here are programmed through the Switch Pro SP9100 switching unit. It means that we can dim down these side lights. The front lights are controlled with high beam trigger as well, so you're keeping full legal use as per the ADRs of Australia. And yeah, I think they're pretty impressive. Simply slot in a few slide nuts that we offer as accessories. You can tie things down like kayaks, you can put solar panels up on here, max track, shovels, you name it, these roof racks can handle it. And I think, yeah, I'm a little bit biased. They are big dogs, but I'm keen to hear your thoughts on this roof rack and how it ties in. Would you run one? Let us know in the comments below. 2024 Chevy, you can't beat that little startup. These things are awesome. The interior on the Chev 2024 model, it's definitely the best on the market now for these HD trucks. You've got your digital rear view mirror. You can run your caravan setup through the rear if you get a GM camera kit as well. We put the little Switch Pro SP9100 switching unit up on the windscreen here. And then you've also got your UHF as well. Nice and simply, we normally pop it in the side pocket there. It's up to the customer whether you're wanting to hard mount it or relocate that handpiece, because all of the controls through the XRS 370 are through the controller itself. So you've got your microphone, your speaker. You don't need to have the unit in an accessible spot anymore. It's all through the handpiece itself. As you can see up on the Switch Pro as well, we've got the air on board. and we'll jump in the rear of this one and show you what that's all about. The ARB air compressor. These things are renowned. They've obviously got years and years of history being ARB branded, and these are super simple setup in the rear of any of the HD truck builds or even the 1500 builds here at Big Dog. You've got the twin compressor set up there, you've got your tank, you do have one air outlet next to the compressor itself. Simply while the vehicle's running, because this is run off the battery underneath the bonnet, we run these through an ignition relay, so they're only going to operate while the vehicle's running, but you can fill up your tyres from this one here, and we have gone and installed an air fitting at the tow bar. I'll show you that one right now. We've got the extra ARB air outlet fitting down here. This one is super close to the Schrader valves if you did need to do your manual air inflate deflate for the Boss airbags that are in the rear of this one. We also have done the air pressure control to this as well. So simply inflate, deflate your airbags from the comfort of the driver's seat. If you don't want that extra setup on your truck, you can simply plug in an ARB air hose, go into your Schrader valves here and inflate those airbags anywhere from 0 PSI. These Boss airbags, the max I've seen on any of our setups running around Australia at the moment are probably around that 50 to 60 PSI max, but these airbags are truly one of the best on the market. We haven't had any problems from Boss Air Australia. Super happy. Don't forget the hitch. The Jenny hitch, obviously one of the best combinations for the torsion suspension hitch on the back of your vehicle. This one here is a 7-ton load rated hitch. It's got all of the accessories in the back here, ready for the customer to choose whatever setup he needs for his truck. This combination does come with a 50-70mm ball that you can flip over. It'll also got the pin tool hook up there as well. And then we've gone and added the AT tongue. So this is your Australian tongue suited for the DO35 or DO45 pin. So simply pop that one in there, and don't forget your Jenny hitch locking pins as well. These 3-inch locking pins, one for the vehicle itself, one for the accessories, means that this hitch isn't going to get pinched in any of the caravan parks or out while you're traveling around Australia. Protect the prize combination. This one here is the ultimate setup on the back of the Superior Ride Performance. With the Superior Ride Performance, you've got your suspension, you've got your wheels and tyres, you've got your airbag set up in the rear end, and then you got your good hitch, which is going to dampen that load between the vehicle and the caravan at the back. This combination here, one of the most popular that we offer at Big Dog Builds, matched with our tow bar wiring combo, both a red and grey Anderson plug there. You can pretty much tow anything with the factory 12-pin plug from GMSV, the back end of these Chevys. All that's missing on this one is a registration plate, and this customer's ready to go. How good does a 5-inch lifted Chevy on 37-inch tyres look? This one here, one of my favourite combinations. Got the BDS 5-inch kit with the Fox 2.5 remote res shocks. We've got the Method 605 NVs. These are 20x10 neg 24 fitment. These neg 24s fit just underneath these flares. They're color-coded Bushwacker flares. I like them in the smooth fitment rather than the bolt hole look. My personal opinion, I think a few people will agree with me on that one. And these ones we've gone for the Nitto Ridge Grappler in a 37, 12.5, 20 tyre. This one here, we have changed from an NB1 car category up to an NB2 national heavy vehicle. So this has increased the GVM of this vehicle over 1 tonne. So it's gone up to 5,500 kilo GVM now. And this thing, nice, clean, simple, lift, wheels, tyres, flares, as well as the electric side steps on this one being the Amp Research Smart Series. You can't go past a vehicle like this. I think they're one of the best looking trucks on the road right now. What does any truck with a 5-inch lift and a 37-inch wheel and tyre combo need? That's electric side steps. We've gone and added the Amp Research Smart Series to this one. Now you can get in and out of the vehicle a lot easier. I think this combination, nice, clean, simple, 5-inch lift, 37-inch tyres, these Chevy HD 2500 packages, one of the most impressive looking vehicles on the market rolling down the street. And this one I've heard has some spicy goodies to come. Stay tuned for that one. You're going to see it on the socials in the not too distant future. Which one would you swipe right on? Is it the 23 model with the 5-inch lift 37s in the classic white? Or is it the new slate grey 2024 with the off-road creative goodies, the Big Dog roof rack, and all of the extras that we just showed you on this one? If you like this video, guys, check out this one here, an American Trucks Down Under, episode 1. This series is definitely one to watch.